Okay, I have to ask you this because I've lost a brother, and you were pretty young, right?
Yeah.
I'm just thinking, like 2012.
2012.
So
Yeah.
it's been what, 12 years?
It's been 12 years now.
Okay. Now, how did that affect you? How was it? I can imagine because I know, but it's an accident, ना? वो एक shock होता है system के अंदर आपके. Were you close?
Of course, we were, as a family, we're all very close.
How much older? Was he older?
4 years.
So he was close to you.
We were very
साथ
close.
खेलते थे.
Because वो मुझसे 4 साल बड़ा भाई था, तो मतलब सब कुछ उसी ने सिखाया था. You know, like the first time I played cricket, he taught me how to play cricket. He taught me how to play all kinds of stuff. साइकिल चलाना उसने सिखाया था. You know, पहली दफ़ा वो जो आपके ट्रेनिंग व्हील्स होते हैं उसको हटा के उसने मुझे धोखे से पुश कर दिया था. I remember that. And I mean, he didn't have to, but he was just like,
Right.
उसकी साइकिल थी बड़ी वाली जिस पे ट्रेनिंग व्हील्स नहीं थे.
Yeah.
तो उस पे बिठा के, and then I remember he's like, I'm holding you, and then he just pushed me.
Yeah. Oh, अच्छा.
So I remember,
It's like throwing somebody in the pool.
yeah,
and
so I
saying,
remember
"अच्छा,
that story.
सीखो."
And मैं पहले तो डर रहा था और he pushed me down the slope, और फिर उसके बाद फिर मैं अचानक पैडल करना शुरू, because it's a
Yeah.
do or die kind of a feeling, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And so these little things,
Good memories.
good memories. So I remember. So I think this again is something that you have to make peace with as you keep growing.
Yeah.
I think earlier in my life, मैंने shut out कर दिया था इसको पूरे को ना, बंद करके
But
side
you
पे.
can't. You have to deal with grief also.
Yeah, I wasn't
Yeah.
dealing with it, right?
Yeah.
My response to it was to hide from it and just pretend like it doesn't affect me. And I think I didn't cry much. And I think I was just holding that in.
Yeah.
And I think it takes time, over time. And then unfortunately, when you hold on to grief, it comes out at different times.
Yeah.
In different ways.
Yes.
You know, and then you have to learn to deal with it.
Yeah.
And so, and there are times where there are moments where you think of it and you have a weak moment and you remember it, and then the idea is to remember the good things, and then you also
Yeah.
smile about things. Like I just remember
Yeah,
this.
because
आपसे बैठे बैठे
that's how
मैंने
you keep them alive also.
आपसे बैठे बैठे मुझे ये कहानी अचानक से.
Yeah.
And it's so interesting because you spoke about him, and today when you spoke about him, the first story that came to my mind was that cycling story, which I probably haven't thought of before.
Yeah.
I've never thought of this, remembered this this story
Yeah.
before.
Beautiful story. Yeah.
And I just remember this right now, and
Yeah.
it kind of made me
Yeah.
happy.
And, probably going on when you have your children, things like that keep growing, you
Yeah.
keep doing. Because I know I've been through it, right?
But it also teaches you a lot about life, right?
Yeah, it also
What doesn't kill you makes you stronger.
angry also.
Makes you angry, but also makes you stronger because
Yeah.
you realize कि अच्छा ये भी हो गया.
नहीं, and you're vulnerable. Like that life is. वो कहते रहते हैं ना, माँ बाप नमाज पढ़ो, ये करो, डरो. Life, but we don't realize. हम जब, especially when you're young.
मैं आपको बता, नमाज डर से तो नहीं पढ़नी चाहिए.
नहीं, I agree. But what I'm saying is कि वो एक होता है ना कि like we cannot forget.
Yeah.
Sometimes we forget,
Yeah.
and that we are vulnerable, and that pain and hurt can come.
Yeah.
Even when life is good, वो हम थोड़ा सा वो हो जाते हैं. And when you go through the pain,
Yeah.
then you're very sensitive.
Yeah.
Because you're hurt,
Yeah.
and everything, you become very sensitive to other people's pain. You become sensitive to everything around you, right?
Absolutely.
You can get angry. I was very angry. I remember that. I mean, I couldn't understand. It's like I just
Why
lost.
is this happening to you?
Yeah, why is it happening? No, my father just passed away. So for me, it was double whammy. And my brother was also young. He was 34.
Yeah.
And so for me, it was like, who's going to look after his family? Because it was always the man, right?
Yeah.
So it's always that picture. So things become, and it's also like there's a guilt. Why him? Why not me? And why, you don't understand things.
Yeah.
So I think there's a lot of questions in your head, and I think that, like you said, you put it away. I put it away. My crutch has always been work.
Same.
So I was just working away. I was just like,
Yeah.
जिस दिन
Just
उसका
keeping yourself
सोया
busy.
था, मैं काम पे गई थी सुबह. I was like, I have this responsibility. I have to do this. So I also think that, maybe I also learned to deal with it a lot later. And the anger that comes from it. But, it's important to deal with it. It's important to share.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm sharing with you, because when I read that, मैं भूल गई थी. और मुझे फिर याद दिलाया इन्होंने जब, when I saw the, research. So I wanted to ask you about it, and I thought,
Yeah.
I know it's hard also to approach this subject, but it's also lighter when you talk about it. So, and it also, every time
Yeah.
I talk about it, it
it
makes
kind
me
of-
kind of
Yeah.
emotional.
Yeah.
So anyway, but so okay. So you've over the years you've learned to deal with it through work and everything.
Yeah.
But you also been seeing therapists, I believe.